Hello, I am the Stock Options Hero, and from here on out, I'm going to share with you stock options secrets that only the most successful option traders know. In my videos, you are going to see my secret options trading system that only a handful of people know. And as I'm sure you're well aware of by now, options trading can be very lucrative. However, most options traders are not consistently successful, or even worse, lose money trading stock options. Trading stock options can be a high probability trade if done properly. Let me show you. Now, each day I will record a video where I play simulated options trades. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos daily to learn how you too can be a successful stock options trader. Disclaimer: these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or stock options. Before I dive into today's stock options video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will see my videos as soon as they are posted. This way, you won't miss out on any paper trading ideas. Tell me in the comments section which option trades you are looking at paper trading, and if you're lucky, I might do analysis on a ticker symbol from the comments section. All right, let's leap into today's video. Welcome to another exciting video of Zero DTE Options Trading Strategies, brought to you by me, the Stock Options Hero. Oh yeah, let's leap into it. All right, welcome back to another action-packed episode of Zero DTE Options Trading. So, continuing on with SPX, I wanted to bring your attention to the 1 year daily time frame. So looks like SPX has found some resistance around 42.85. Stochastic is crossed. MACD looks like it may be flattening out soon. So my guess is a short-term pullback, most likely back to around 41.65-ish, maybe 41.70. Remember, support and resistance is an area, not an exact point. Okay, so that being said, I put on a July 21 bear call spread where I sold the 44.35, bought the 44.40. I know. I told you I wasn't going to do 45 DTE trades, but with the setup on the daily, I could not resist. So I looked at doing a similar spread on SPY. However, for the same delta, which was around 16 delta, the return on capital was half of SPX. So with SPX, I'm getting a 22% return on capital, and with SPY, it was a 10 or 11% ROC. So with the same technical risk of expiring out of the money, around, it's like 88, 89% probability of expiring out of the money, I decided to pull the trigger on SPX, and it also had the same margin requirements for putting on the trade. So yeah, I also did 10 contracts on the SPX. So normally I try to keep it around $1,000 per trade, but because I'm focused on trading the SPX right now, and I'm looking at it every day, I felt comfortable increasing that to $5,000 on this particular trade. So let's look at my 0 DT strikes. So I've got, that's the July. Okay. So I'm short the 42.90 call and short the 42.50. So going over to the 5-minute intraday, I thought I would add a horizontal red line so you can visually see where the price of SPX needs to close at for me to hit max gain on my iron condor. So I legged into it. I did not enter both legs at the same time. So I put on the bull put spread at right here on this candle because MACD was oversold and stochastic was oversold as well, thereby telling me that SPX didn't have much downside potential. And then it was like around here on this candle, I put on a bear call spread, right? So that being said, I took in a 45-cent credit on my bull put and only a 15-cent credit on my bear call. So net 60-cent credit for the iron condor. Had I got into the iron condor with both wings or legs, whatever you want to call it, at the same time, I probably would have only got like a maybe 45, 50-cent credit. Just because of the deep out of the money leg isn't worth hardly anything. That's why I like to leg in. So you can usually get a better credit and better cushion on the distance between your short strike and resistance or support. So because I legged into my bear call right here, I was able to get a higher short call than had I put it on right here. Had I put it on right here, my short call probably would have been around like 42.80. So much too close for comfort. I'd much rather have my short call at 42.90. So I've got $10 more of cushion, if that makes sense, right? So feeling pretty good. Only have an hour and 8 minutes. Looking at the daily and intraday chart, there is an extremely high probability of SPX trading in this tight range for the rest of the trading day. So feeling pretty good. this point, also I goofed up and did a 42.55, 42.50 bull put, and then I thought I put in a limit of 5 cents to get out. Not sure what happened. Maybe I did a 50-cent debit to get out, and it was trading at 30 cents at the time. So, I mean, I made a quick 20 cents. At least it wasn't a loss, right? Kind of annoying, though. Need to slow down placing trades, double checking before I hit send. So right now, for the day, I'm up $650 on my SPX 0 DTE option trading strategy. And PL open is 400. So, you know what? So I'm just going to close any open orders on SPX. I'm going to let them ride until expiration at the end of today. And if they expire out of the money, I will make $600 on this trade. I already made $200 on this goof up earlier. So best case scenario, I will have an $800 day before commissions. So pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I've been looking for an opportunity to leg into an iron condor. One of my loyal subscribers was asking questions about it, so that's another reason why I legged in, and I wanted to show you what my thought process was on that. Now, if you have any additional questions or comments, please leave it in the comments, and I will do my best to answer your question. So, as always, I greatly appreciate your loyalty and subscribing to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. And real quick, everyone likes to see my overall profit loss year to date, 32,898. Net lick, 122,578. Cash and sweep, 135,167. So I think I'm around like day 65 calendar days. Well, trading days. So I'm like at 65 trading days, and I'm up 22,000. So 22.6% return in a little over 2 months. Pretty good for trading a high probability strategy. Now, could I do better? Absolutely. But I'd be taking on much more risk. And for me, I'm willing to take on the risk of, say, a 15 delta, where there's an 85% probability of success based off of prob OTM to make 22% than I am with like a 65-70% prob OTM and making like 80%, right? It's what works for me. And if you were a little on the conservative side, I think this is probably the best strategy I've used to be consistently profitable and to make reliable income that one could live on or supplement their income on a monthly basis. Now, if you're using trading for a living, you want to be conservative. You don't want to blow up your primary source of income. You want to be conservative as possible. So once again, that's it. Thanks for subscribing and commenting below. You guys and gals are amazing. Thank you so much, and happy trading.